Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just starting to explore the world, this video is for you. Ready to pack your 2025 calendar with some amazing trips? We've got some incredible destinations and tips lined up just for you. Get ready to take your travel game to a whole new level because I've got 33 clever travel gadgets that will make your adventures even more exciting. These gadgets are designed to make your travel smoother, more enjoyable, and absolutely unforgettable. From staying hydrated on the go with the latest in reusable water bottles and hydration packs to capturing those Insta-worthy moments with cutting-edge photography gear, we've got you covered. Imagine the likes and comments rolling in as you share your stunning travel photos. So buckle up, grab your passport, and let's dive in. We're about to embark on a journey filled with adventure, innovation, and endless possibilities. Let's make 2025 the year of unforgettable travels. First up is the Lark self-cleaning water bottle. It uses UVC LED tech to purify water in just 1 minute and cleans the bottle's inner surfaces. It lasts a full month on a single charge and keeps water super cold for hours. What more could you want? Next is the Life Straw Personal Water Filter, a travel essential for the outdoorsy type. It turns pond, lake or river water into drinkable water. Just keep in mind to read all the package instructions if you're immunocompromised. Good quality sound is a non-negotiable, even when traveling. Enter these affordable, waterproof wireless Bluetooth earbuds that some reviewers compare to AirPods for significantly cheaper. They're cheap enough that losing them won't be the end of the world. No one wants to be that person at the airport frantically rearranging luggage. It's stressful, time-consuming, and can be downright embarrassing. A digital luggage scale is the answer to avoiding those dreaded overweight luggage fees. This tiny gadget is compact, easy to use, and incredibly accurate. Just hook it onto your bag, lift, and let the scale do its magic. In seconds, you'll know exactly how much weight you're working with, ensuring you stay within airline limits. No more surprises at the airport. Travel with peace of mind, knowing your luggage is perfectly packed and ready for your journey. Every trip needs a good soundtrack, right? This mini Bluetooth speaker is small but mighty. It clips onto your backpack or shower curtain rod and is waterproof. Belt out those shower tunes without a worry in the world. Sometimes we're not the most organized packers, but that doesn't mean you have to look like a wrinkled mess. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or a special event, looking sharp is essential. This travel iron is small enough to fit in your carry-on. It's lightweight and compact, making it the perfect travel companion. You'll never have to chance whether or not your hotel room has an iron. Simply pull out your travel iron and get those wrinkles out in no time. And let's face it, sometimes those hotel irons are a little scary. With your own travel iron, you can ensure your clothes are always in pristine condition, no matter where you are. Sometimes the coffee situation at hotels is just, well, sad. This collapsible travel kettle ensures you're drinking good coffee wherever you are. Just fill it up, plug it in, and savor that perfect cup of joe. Heading somewhere cold? These 2-in-1 magnetic rechargeable hand warmers are perfect for chilly hikes or snowy adventures. They double as device chargers so you can keep your phone juiced up. Talk about a win-win. Ever wake up in the middle of the night in a strange hotel room? This motion sensor nightlight is your guiding light. It charges by USB and can last up to 25 hours at its dimmest brightness. Figuring out which adapters you need for every international trip is the worst. This 4-in-1 travel adapter simplifies your life and works in a wide range of countries. No more frantic Googling or last-minute trips to the electronics store. And there you have it, folks. 33 travel gadgets that'll seriously upgrade your next trip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and gadget reviews. Safe travels.